Today we are gonna make a very typical dish here in Andalusia. It's pork tenderloin with whiskey. If you go to any tapas bar, you can find this recipe. So we hope you enjoy this video and we encourage you to prepare it and share with us your photo in the comments below. So let's get started.
For this recipe, I'm using 1 head of garlic, 1 glass of beef broth, 1 glass of brandy, lemon juice, and the pork tenderloin. For these ingredients, we'll get a meal for 2 people. You can use brandy or you can use whiskey instead. In both cases, the result is so good. When you add the broth, lower the heat so the garlics can cook slow. We want that the garlics are soft inside. Believe me, you will love this sauce. So feel free to add more whiskey or more broth to prepare more quantity because you will love to eat this just with a piece of bread. Trust me, when you eat this, you will love it. It's a recipe so easy to make with just a few ingredients and so quick to prepare that it's incredible. Also, if you don't like or you can eat the pork, you can use chicken instead.
So tender. Taste it with the garlic. Open the garlics and eat together the garlic, the tenderloin, and potato. So good. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you at the next video. Bye bye!